In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close Chrome without closing tabs. If you've ever had a bunch of important tabs open and worried about losing them when you exit the browser, don't worry. Chrome has a built-in setting that makes it easy to pick up right where you left off the next time you open it. This is especially helpful if you use Chrome for work, research, school, or anything else where you regularly keep multiple pages open at once. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three-dot menu. This menu gives you access to many of Chrome's main options and settings. From that drop-down menu, select Settings. This will open Chrome's settings page in a new tab. If you haven't explored this area before, don't worry. Everything you need for this change is easy to find. Now, on the left-hand sidebar, click on Startup. This section controls what Chrome does every time you launch the browser. It's the key setting that determines whether Chrome opens a fresh window, a specific set of pages, or restores your previous session. Once you're in the On Startup section, choose the option labeled Continue Where You Left Off. This tells Chrome to reopen the tabs and windows from your last session the next time you start the browser. So after this is enabled, you can close Chrome normally, and when you come back, your tabs should reappear automatically. This setting is useful because it helps you avoid manually reopening pages every time you restart Chrome. It also makes it easier to pause your work and continue later without losing momentum. Just keep in mind that Chrome restores your previous session when it starts again, so if you intentionally want a clean slate, you may need to close individual tabs before exiting. After selecting that option, the setting is saved automatically. There's no need to click a save button. You can simply close the settings tab and continue using Chrome as usual. That's all it takes. From now on, when you close Chrome, your tabs won't really be gone. They'll be ready for you the next time you open the browser. If you want the smoothest experience, make sure Chrome is updated, since settings can sometimes appear slightly different depending on the version you're using, but the overall process remains the same, and that's how to close Chrome without closing tabs.